This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Cadillac CTS. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Carefully position the donor vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jumpstart, protecting both you and your vehicles throughout the process. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Cadillac's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. These steps ensure a proper initial electrical connection between the two vehicles. With the positive connections made, it's time to ground the circuit. Attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Cadillac, away from the battery. This provides a safe ground. Next, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to transfer charge. After this charging period, attempt to start your Cadillac CTS. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes. Once your Cadillac CTS is running, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the reverse order for safety. First, remove the black negative clamp from your Cadillac's metal surface. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the donor battery. Next, detach the red positive clamp from the donor battery, followed by the red positive clamp from your Cadillac's battery. Finally, drive your Cadillac for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.